Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to save music in the Spotify app for offline listening. So I'm going to walk you through the step-to-step guide. So let's start with step 1, which is to subscribe to Spotify Premium. So offline listening is only available for Spotify Premium users. So to do that, open the Spotify app, then tap your profile icon at the top right, then select the get premium and choose the plan, then complete the payment and subscription process. So if you're already a premium user, just skip this step. Then on the step 2, enable offline mode, which is optional but recommended. Then open the Spotify app, then tap your profile icon, then select settings and tap settings and privacy, then scroll down to playback, then toggle offline mode on. Then this simply means Spotify only plays downloaded music when you are offline. So this means ensure the Spotify only play downloaded music when you are offline. And on the step 3, download the songs, album, or any playlist of your choice. So to do that, just open the Spotify and go to the playlist or any album you want, then tap the download button. Then from there, wait for the green check mark to confirm the download. Then after that, go to the songs you want, then tap the 3 dots icon next to it, then select download, and a green arrow will appear. And when the download is complete, then you can use that, and now you can now play your music without a Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then on the step 4, find your download song. So to do that, open the Spotify, then tap your library, then select downloaded to view all offline songs, and only downloaded music will appear when you are offline. So after that, which is on step 5, manage download and storage space, then check the downloaded songs. So to do that, go to the settings, then click on storage, then view how much space your download used from your device. Then after that, you can also remove a download songs / a playlist if you want. So to do that, just go to your library, then click on downloaded, then tap the 3 dot icon next to the songs or playlist, then select remove download. And this can free up space without deleting any playlist from your library. And that's it as how to save music in Spotify app for offline listening.